When I was offered a professorship at the Karlsruhe Institute of Arts and Design, to the team of young curators, but also scenographers, product designers, communications designers, graphic designers, media theorists, a really transdisciplinary group, I asked them would they be interested in working on a model for a museum university. A model that we could maybe test out somewhere. And this model began immediately with looking at the way the human body operates inside an exhibition, but also the way we hang artworks today, the speed with which you go through an exhibition. It's an old adage that if you stand too long in front of a painting of Gerhard Richter, the guards will come and remove you.